Hey everybody, Toby Brooks here. I am your instructor for Kinesiology 3346, Anatomical Kinesiology. This is the third time I've taught this course online here at Texas Tech. This was a brand new course built last summer, so everything you're going to see is relatively new. And I've taught this same material as either an online or a brick and mortar course for bits and pieces of the past 15 years. So this is a topic that's really kind of I'm passionate about, and something that I hope will be of great benefit to you as you continue to pursue your career in kinesiology or in a healthcare profession. I know a lot of you are headed to PT school or med school or some other type of healthcare profession. So my hope is that this will be of great benefit to you in learning the musculoskeletal anatomy. So the purpose of this video today is to introduce you to the course, kind of walk you through what we'll be doing this semester, show you where things are located, and hopefully get you started on your way. Now, as a summer course, I will go ahead and warn you, this material comes fast and furious. So do yourself a favor, print off the syllabus and put those assignments in your phone, in your planner, right away, so that you can keep up with them. So here I've got the course pulled up, and my version may look a little bit different from yours, but I can still kind of walk you through the navigation. So the home page is here. The syllabus we're going to go through in just a minute, so we'll talk about that. The course content I've divided into weeks. So everything you'll need for a given week is located in that week's respective folder. Okay, so every week has instructions and objectives. It has the PowerPoint lesson that we will go through, and then screencast just like this that will basically substitute for time spent in class. Any assignments that are due that week will also appear here down at the bottom. Now keep in mind, some of these assignments deploy as the course rolls out. It's done that way so that you can't just go through and complete all the threaded discussions in one sitting. It works better as a class for us to kind of go through at the same pace. So even though you may have a threaded discussion on week 2, you may or may not be able to see that unless that availability window is open for that given week. Okay. If something is supposed to be there and you don't see it, contact me. That means that one of the settings in Blackboard is not correct, and I'll get that fixed for you right away. Okay. So each of the 5 weeks of the course are located here. Also notice that week 5 is a half week. That's the week of the 4th of July, so you'll get that Thursday of the 4th of July off, and then the final is on Friday. So make sure that you make note of that. All your other assignment due dates are on Fridays, but on that last week, this final video summary, the quiz, and the threaded discussion are all due on that Wednesday. So that is kind of the Blackboard section. If you're watching this video, this link will be here. It's not here yet because I'm recording it. So the syllabus for the course is available for you. I would strongly encourage you to buy the textbook. A lot of students say this textbook is one of the best texts they've ever had. It's a great resource to go back to. The photos are great. The descriptions are concise. So you can probably get away without having it, but I would not recommend that. It is listed as a required textbook. Okay. So for every chapter that we're going to do, there are PowerPoints in those folders, and then a screencast with a link to a YouTube video just like this, where I basically lecture on the material. And then other than that, it's just assignments. Okay, so you will do a threaded discussion each week where you'll answer a question that I pose. You can communicate one with another. You don't get extra credit for posting more than once, but you are required to post at least one thing. There is a brief quiz every week as well, and then a video summary where you're actually going to record your answer and post it to YouTube as an unlisted if you want. video so that you can get some practice in front of the camera instead of just behind it. And then other than that, it's just the midterm and the final. Okay, so that's it. A little bit about my background. I talk about it in the first video, but I serve as a professor in the Masters of Athletic Training program and in the Department of Rehabilitation Sciences in the TTU HSC, and have been an athletic trainer or a strength coach for pretty much most of the last 20 years. My passion is youth sports and combining proper nutrition, proper training with healthcare. I'm a strong believer that healthcare professionals need to not just know the material, but they need to live the material. So you'll see examples of me trying skills on my kids. You'll see examples of me doing this stuff on my own. I strongly encourage you, even though this is a tough, compressed month, don't give up your own personal habits. Rest well, eat well, train hard, study hard, and you'll be better for it. So if you've got any questions, my contact info is in the syllabus. I encourage you to give me a shout, but otherwise I will be seeing you around. So have a great day. This is Dr. Brooks signing out.